ewo Sompa 93.1 Sompa TV yedi atwaguo ewo so ensem we de ebrew ene anopai de di mu akotene ne tofabo ebini minority ewo mrahye bedwafie e de asedapa de ma omampani se wonsem a wode ma no watie na watie no asopamu CPP amanyoko no penche ba mu no sabre wo hwe na watoto nyoma se de be ya CPP amanyoko no ebetumi afa ne ntampa na ede afira uko kajetia emadwadifo ene adwadifo na wo su gutafo no se won kanea ensensem atadwe ene wo ye atede ene na yakọ education afamu a ode wani echrem e commander edina eguafo abremu a sabre omo ani eyaje papa se de beya enwomasua enso ebetumi agirigina so wei ene afoforo bi eka ho ena ye bedan no kase ne ye de abesoma no pa no sia bre emu osaya aboaji ofosu enimidin yenye bre na yentie kase mu ensem wen ebeto dwa ewo mam ha na ye ho se enwoma bia ye kra na ye de afira brochire broni kurom na Ghana fo nyina enya bia die na abrabomu atumi ahenhai omanfo a wo Ghana ha no ekokoba ne se fotosanfo a wo hwe oman sika so Ken Oforiata ede akomasika efie pinu ene aduenu nan ekotum ewo mrahye bedwafie no ekoye ho se sanyoma wo ya yentumi enkra emfama no ebekwa kokofa nchiriwahyew ene ahokyere ede abrega nafo ne sayo no ntino ekuketu a wo mrahye bedwafie NDC fo no eye omadwene se obegirem se de beya sanyoma ye kase yenkra emfama Ghana memha no ede ahokyere pa ene bebre wo men ne sayo ntino gira wo gine mu no enwada ukomrahye bedwafie a bila kwa pase na yaja tum na sanyoma we emagina no ni gida da wabon bangalate wabo agu said ye beya ebema enwoma ye kase ye fa manyira no ye betumi ede aba omemha Dr. Sex Atofoxen minority ewo mrahye bedwafie no ode aseda rempempa ede ma mampani na do danko akufuado se ensem a ekuketu ewo mrahye bedwafie wo kan se ma ye mfa ye sa bill we me ye nyintum no watie na supem said the bay ma Ghana manfo ho atowo mo eno nti odi aseda pa de ma omampani na do dankwa ekufo ado sa ena manebafo soafo onimunyamfo kodwo ponkroma enso echirem se sa na montoi ebeboa magutafo no so nyinada ho ahen ha wo mo na nwoma so atumi akonkai de ama wo mo na nwoma ayekama ewo Ghana member yento akase no so na yemfama mo odofo ebeto dwa se CPP Kwame Nkrumah CPP se ye ka CPP pa party anyini ewo Ghana mem hayi papa na ede CPP wo kwa wo hyedan humrante ene mabawa esan se ye tete party nuntino enkokrowa ne mberewafo no omaye mu mapa na omadwiri mu dro wo mo ene ye ka se gokosufo no a CPP fo no bibiri no a mberewafo no ene wo mu na nansa chiriwashi wa koso wo CPP amanyuku num se executives a empanifo wo di CPP amanyuku nim no onsi fom anase wotro krata tentente se wa resign ni nyina koba se na ye dwanto wo no na ye twotwoni de ma CPP amanyuku no wotro krata se adawroma monyimo party mitumi entro mamubim eno ene kofa nchiriwahyew ebra chitafo no se na ye dwanto atro krata to dia ene omo ye mpanifo ka no ho executives nyina da omo nyina resign se de be yom beto aba foforo eno na kofa nchiriwahyew ede bra CPP amanyuku no na ene wo manfo dodo no a ena na kasa se tete party eno ti adawroma wo monto wo mbo ase na bra mpanifo ehwesu adwene na dwamtani ema council of elders no ema CPP amanyuku no also so adwene no sei ena ziga enso ekasa fa aku no
Sompa FM
First, for any such meeting to take place, agenda must first of all yield to all who are going to take part ahead of time before we reach there. that meeting, no agenda was given. And we were all wondering whether the agenda was going to come. But eventually, no agenda came. So we went there. And just at the time we were to start, people started distributing the agenda of what we were going to take about. And that was a big surprise to all of us. But we had the patience to go through it. Then the second thing that happened was that we went through a number of the agendas that we brought, and as a surprise, it came out that they had one of the agendas as taking off from the shared or the city, removing her from the office. And it was a big surprise how we could think of removing the head, the office, the chairman, from office without proper rules and regulations. We have very distinct rules and regulations for such purpose, and I do not want to go into.
Any awuti ye Dwemtani Emma Council of Elders Convention People's Party CPP Mr. Christian Joe Ziga na enu achire na se wohwe fie na se panini mu a eduru ba bia na fie no atompan eduru ba bia na efie no eye abo ginjan ne sayonti na Dwemtani Emma CPP amanyukuo no na ya afrempo ma kuma ese sabre wono akasa de ne hu si wono ahwekuo no so said ye beya peche ni basabayoso bia entumi amakuo no ebiem akosi se bra omotumi ayi mpanifo foforo
na ebeya what is right eti nemo neck no I brought it to a close and we say the bomb and we have signed on the cross it is in the name of the Father and the Holy Spirit eti yes sorry and I put it for the one and you pay the son came who put a pressman back pay and I'm saying see here and I'm my address and I can show say yes neck na ending na the see me I still remain the chair because that woman now most of the press was watching, they were watching it. I'm Sansake. Say if you I am still the chair and leader of the Convention People's Party. We will do what is right. Never feel but my executive that have resigned. The Banga the Gamasi, Moya Juma, you know Juma, Yagantua, the Juma, you remember or Asha, Omuni Nara, or so the velocity that we do so, Kasama CDP. Esi soma resanya ya so nemu make one a Council of Elders and a constitution am mutuni so did you say that bibi asa abasa ko se consortium se na consortium na ma consortium awie na ya be ka kire party for enipa ye be form ama be boa ma party no eye organization e be ye no because organization dey ye be in intention ye na ebeya what is right
ani awuti ye Dwemtani Emma CPP amanyokuo no na frempama kuma na sabre wo se wono na ehwe akiri Council of Elders no age amana dwenkere na dwenkere wode amano nyina se wo hwe akiri se de beya obetumi ayi mpanifo foforo na wode ahwe CPP amanyokuo no eno ti no obekọ akoda won na watwro krata tententen se wa resign nyina ase efrise omabo adwumason ede ama CPP amanyokuo no eye obi animsem se oba asante mantem grupom ha edwadie eyade bia eno enedi ehim ewo hapa eno tinsi ye kakegetia madwadifo ena ewo hogutafo no omakeka wo ho abom na de beto odwa ene se uduru kagetia Dubai ka me ya ye se ahokere ewo ho ni nyina ne se eduru ba bia sikatuya no te se hwene munwi otwe eye yipa edwa kakraka wo nyina da mita ba ko pe ne sayo ntino eduru ba bi na se hweka eda ho a na ano odene nti ma yetumi betwa mo kaneam na ho nyina ayetum esum kumo adentia yetwa kaneam ewo kagitia Dubai ya na asefe sempa eno ena madwatifo gutafo yi wo mo ani abresa krodom wo bobobomu a se hu behia so mo akasa benyo mu mita efiri se store bia nya ni mita de a ene o prepaid no wa na akoto wa de e de abegu so wo mo aka fein ena panifo atie na watie na suprem na sayonti pani kwankyerefo akagitia tem na no oda no Mr. Edmund Kofidofo edi ababa tudwa se sabere mita no wo ye ho adwuma enyina da awie eno mu ena pen dwem training a ono ena edwa nkabomu kuo a wo edwa kesie mu no woda no nana prempe ene Sompa kase etwetwe nkomo no senti omu benya mita no ene na ase a wode mampanifo no woda ne di ewo Sompa semtwerofo anim
Sama penifo ede atu edwano me fa no akwa die no me fa ba kon eye ne gina se long la de junior safety ene fra no ankankra bia ebenya ne mita demom o how ka ke wo mo no eye mita no ebo no enra after the public forum no one se do one year no na me giving na ye nuanu mu bi o no na omo expect the view say mita no na dodo na nimse nka meters nka electricity company for na nka nka ebo na da so ne de ense nke blue ye omo kano anyway anuane mu bi ho no ma pilot project ne course within the last 2.5 months no obo prepaid meters ne bi ma omo no also share energy consumption ni sika omo tinya stable out of that 2 months na ne bi so ho ne say oh ankra bi enya ne meter na generally obi agitu mu say meter ni do enya ebo na ni bia nke ye demom ebo no na ebi mo tutu se ebo no so na obo tutu se wo from so mene sa afọ no so eya agene esan se almost single phase meter no obi share 2095 and a 3 phase meter for 3,900 Ghana on the first media putting was a ebo no e was so but ocean in the long term benefit no so a susu se obi enya ne meter na it's a mixed feeling and ewo again so say o share nkaka omodi amaya ni the payment plan na almost say within 3 months and obi ade to the extra na dia no eti oko omodi separate account dey or ya factory raba eti oko ho ma o dey wo shop number no shop no identical number dia eno na o dey to the won faji you do the shop number no mo and the back bank ho na o dey about your first month no which is 6% of akura award about shop either using for the single phase, double phase, and triple phase. Meter corner will be now work making the part payment that is 50%. Now after 50%, 1 month time, now I could share 25%. It will be a comparison with the meter and no I the final payment. It will change you are paying in 3 tranches. To a big a year, Emma 1 year, Emma year program, push out here, but then the Kakano. Yeah, what is the number? Any time, so I had no 7,204. When I didn't in Kobe, but don't do an almost money, and I don't know if Yasha. But they would think in a mono, yet the central government, almost may absorb some of the cost to live at Yamayet.
Jamtani Emma Kumase edwadifo nana prempe nene ena yekuti ye no na wamabia ne putuo ejina ngomasua so ne sayonti no ababi obebabia no ye na adwere se obehwe no ama ngoma ejina so se de beya oman yebenya adokotafo amintini ene atwotwuru aloyafo ene anesefo na enwoma atumi akonkai ewo Ghana member odi wani echirem ewo mfimfin mantemu a commander edina eguafo abrem brashe bedwani wo ho ene Samuel Atames na sabre papa se wo pese mantam no efa da tuma pefra ewo ngomasuam ne sayonti no education directorate wakom omo enwoma bi ebeboa na adesua enso atumi agina so na National Democratic Congress won treasure ena sabre wo de enwoma yi ekoye wabra ujira mrashe bidwanini anemu Francis Oben ena sabri okasa edemano
ono abusamo education and now call commerce of commerce technology it is something okay njagoro and then doctor some day some like ready you keep them and in the one for the can say it is I think one of them one we can leave because kind of lack of maintenance there one problem we can leave ama utumo la utumo that make it there ya kwa more botala iti ona wo wa ko se yala education here there no open office power to di
Sabre ode wani echirem ewo commander nwoma ene nyoma bia wode ekoma education directorate no ena sabre wada na di ede ama directorate no se de be ya enyoma ebetumi akonkai enu achirei ena de okasa ede ema education directorate ewo commander eguafo ebrem enyoma wode ebaye no okire eniso ede ema emrahye bedwani no eneno edi ehwamo kakra na enu achirei na madam Mercy Lesa na ono na yepani kwankyerefo a ukọ commander ohwe enwoma suaso na education directorate no eso ono so ekasa kakra efa anyoman eho education you may hear this I was so what be was for this one yeah you my beside me and Asiana here the schools and you my come why here and some one for the boy and you wait anymore as I did or more from 3 years the episode of boy and more. At least one more good private and public school. This year, no. Any I would say ye penny quantrefo wono ena ukọ commander wo hwe enwoma sua so Mercy nene ena yekutie ye no na eyobi anim se oba wo banka nam ha ya kwan ne akwante popi no a ena enye enuti Ghana fo nyina esu ekwa ho enya asam keto akra na wodi wani echirem ewo ofori krom mansini mu ewo asantemantem kopokumase a adehye wo ho wo sukwa ho pa isanse kwan no apro atete apansam enam so amama kobadie so ayedene adroba fo so esu se sika wonya bi nanso kakra obenya no na ene magazine ene ode nam na ene maintenance ye ene wo kwakoye enoti adawuruma empanifo amba wo sra bamu a ebeye den pa enam so amotintasu kokko na ene kojan ode bobo wonti ekomansini nim se woye ye kire esanse wo pasema ka kire nyame ana ka kire mframanti no aban krache wo ho no wonye krata ese dia dawuruma na do danko akufo ado obetumi ate na watumi abeye kwan e dia mawo mo na panipa wo mo eye ye kire odi animu na wode krata yi ekọ efo krum municipality no de koma aban krache no Jerry Esukuma sei eno da nsem edi.
The deteriorating state of this crucial road has become a pressing concern for the residents, impacting our daily lives, economic activities, and overall well-being. The road's current condition poses significant challenges, including but not limited to inconvenience and safety hazards. Choboy, Choboy. The poor road conditions create inconvenience for commuters and pose safety hazards for both motorists and pedestrians. Choboy. Economic implications. The road's deteriorated state hinders economic activities, affecting local businesses, transportation of goods, and overall development of the community. And
what say Charity Sukuma Ekasabi Yeno, Adesiana demonstration no. We
all know that we are citizens here in Ghana, and as a citizens in Ghana, we have our right to exercise our right, and we voted for Akufo-Addo Bawumia government to come and put things in place for us, so that every Ghanaian or every citizen may have the feel of the country. But this is the case that we voted for Akufo-Addo and Bawumia government, and they are not doing anything for the citizens, and it is very pathetic. Or is it a crime for we the citizens to vote for a leader? No. So if it is not a crime, why are they refusing to do our road for us? Listen, there was a time a woman who was pregnant, he was passing by the Oforikuom road. You see the deplorable road, because of the deplorable road, he gets miscarriage about his pregnancy. And it's very pathetic to see all these things. So we are begging the government of the day to come and fix our roads. And it should bear in mind that they have just 364 days. As at yesterday, they were having...
Adesia a war of Okom municipality, Wamua Bwadi, Emena, Apemso, Apiedu, Kokoben, Kote, the Duacon, Wamo and a Sayatri, if we say, Wamo and Omoni, a Tutuaka, Omusem, Ewo Kwaihon, Ewo Ufurikrum, Wamo and Asabre. Yete womo enkano betodwa se womamuno free education no untumi fa wo pe enye bibia so wo headmaster and now your head teacher ne sa yo no ntino empanifo so adwene se koda wo mu beko school yi no wo hwe mo transporters no a empanifo na kotra se we beto sekan we so to aso ni nyina da omo so adwene se de be ya abatan ani enhyada entutunka wo mu nsem e wo sikasem pi wabra ukoto nyoma amomma akosuku no ne sayo no ntino empanifo ema omani brain omani ko ho yi pa se de be ya se wo ye teacher ni ana wo ye headmaster na wo ye headmistress ya untumi emfa wo pe enye bibia nanso oman asobrache ewom wo de wani echem e wo owura senior high school ene Ghana senior high school a empanifo a ye de wo matua no se wo mo hwe no mtoto nyoma no wo maso edene wo mo de wo mo pe efrechiri transporters no so no eton nyoma foforo e dia masukufo no eno mu enam panifo se debi Ghana Education Service debi ontiase eno ti no se mo se anyampa dia montra se mi enya hwehwemu eno mu na Cassandra Twum ampofo ono na PR unit odano Ghana Education Service wa bra ye se empanifo entena fie no okasa kakra efa ho.
These heads are right indicated had certain items on Ottawa, and then they sell them on their school campus. In the case of Ghana Senior High School headmistress, he asked the students to go to school or to report in their office that they are home attack. And when you get to school, you are asked to change over, buy a ceremonial course, they claim it's a ceremonial course, and then practice. And then if you do not buy, it means that you are forced to go back home. Back of O'Reilly headmistress had also set the table charging 350 according to them as PA charges or PA dues, and then you pay, they give you receipt before you can proceed. And so these are all items or things that for us we had not approved. It wasn't part of the admission process for first year. And so we have asked them to step aside so we can really delve deeper in our investigation, and then we can continue. Ghana, they were paying or buying ceremonial for 200 cedis, tracksuit 200, and so once you get on campus, you need to buy these items, and then already you need to pay 300. And so this is the first or the initial investigation that we have established, and then we need to delve deeper. Reason why we've asked them to step aside so we can have that launch that skill investigation into why they have to sell these items and why they have to also let the Form 1 pay before they can continue the admission process. Without these processes or without paying or buying these items, it means that you cannot complete your admission process.
Any I would say Cassandra Twum ampofo on a PR unit or dano ewo Ghana Education Service. Aha and a bread by my day and upon Usiaka CSC. Na Samufo unimonyam for asante yeboa Benedict said ya pam dada ebeka no on teteye kukua Veronica Jando ono ena ekukuye saa ena akosoa sumua eriza bebe ono so emomo ano na MC afo no omabo adwuma ata Kevin ene man pike enyum papa krache omabom chidom ene enya asem keto akra na ona wonu su ho no nyina da ede omohoden no munyansa eboa ema no panusia kase ewie mu die na me ametena se ekenkan ede mamu ose ya aboaje ofusu enimidin mema mu nyina moniti a ade na me so de akoi na mema minua pani amidin achi akowa aboaje awodapa. Happy birthday to my senior brother wa maka mama yame ema ne nyinkire ahodin ewum na omon ho ban emfiri otamfo abonsansam ni obayi bia no Ewrade ema ne nyinhyira na oma no nkanko papa anoti makramo meko
yatika expect yatika no o nerves na wo